Go to the folder in your C program files, SAP Frontend SAP GUI, click on this icon. You'll get a number of systems you can log into. In this case, log into system test. And here you specify the client username and password and language. Client number can be one of a number of clients like we have here, functional testing, but we're going for volume testing. And we put in a username and password. As you can see, language is defaulted to English in this case, and it gives you access to SAP Easy Access menu. And you can see there's folders like Favorites folder, which you can set up yourself, and then you have the User menu, which can be defined in the profile in Administration, SAP Administration. But here it has access to Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, General Ledger, Fixed Assets, Payment Run, Bank, Agreement, Hire Purchase. In the drop downs we have User menu, SAP menu, and in Edited we have Execute New Window. In Favorites we can change the favorites as we've shown before, and in Extras we can display documentation, technical details, settings, and set the start transaction if you know what you want to start with each time. In System you can create a new session, end this session, define your user profile for this session, hold data, set data, delete data. In Services you have many different reporting tools you can use, and also you can look at recording particular processes that you do frequently. In Utilities you can find out where there's a problem, and debugging the screen and debugging app to system, looking at resource usage, looking at problems basically with the service. With My Objects you can see your object history and your own spool request, what you're printing, and then you can log off, of course. And in Help you can look at the SAP library, a glossary of SAP terms, and look at an SAP Service Marketplace for new. And in Settings, of course, you can define your settings for this particular session. And you can look at last page there. And that's more or less it. Thanks very much for this. Is just logging into SAP Easy Access menu and how you would define your session to your own needs and preferences. Thanks. Come back again soon. See you later.